Improved security features. Log into your account and on the left-hand side find the link for Settings. Scroll down a bit until you get to Authenticated users can join meetings. Set the authentication options to BHPSNJ only. Scroll back to the top and choose Meetings. Select Schedule a Meeting and type in the name of the meeting and the password you'd like to use for that meeting. Scroll down a little further and then select Require Authentication to Join. Make sure you select BHPSNJ only. Scroll back up a little bit and change registration to Required. You'll then distribute the meeting information into Google Classroom as you've always been doing. When the students select the link, they'll simply have to add their name and their email address and confirm that they're not a robot. The students will then get moved to another page that has the link to the actual meeting. Students have to either use their school email or else they won't be able to join the meeting.